Hello, I'm Professor Solo, coming to you straight from the Web Layout Drafting Table. Up until now, Grid has established a relationship and done precisely nothing with it. We told the browser where a layout should exist, but not how it's built inside. This lesson is where Grid stops being theoretical and starts getting truly spatial. Columns and rows divide the grid zone into actual, useful tracks. T.A. Watts, show them how the blueprint gets drawn.
Okay, so last time we set the stage. We declared display grid. You told the browser, hey, I want a grid here.
A big grand plan, but on screen, a whole lot of nothing.
Seriously, zero vibes. So, where's the grid? It all comes down to one thing. Tracks. These are the columns and rows that you define. It's the grid's actual structure. Once you define them, the browser suddenly has a blueprint it can actually follow. The grid template columns property, that creates the visible skeleton for your layout.
And just like that, your items flow right in, left to right, then top to bottom.
And guess what? Grid template rows works the exact same way. Super simple.
Don't define enough rows? Well, Grid just makes more. But that's a story for later.
Quick vocab hit. Tracks are the sizes, lines are the boundaries, and cells are the rectangles.
The main rule to remember here is simple. No tracks, no grid, period.
The second you define those tracks, boom, the whole layout just snaps into existence.
And that's it. That's how you get your tracks online.
Boom snap. Once tracks exist, our page has bones. Our house has rooms. From here on out, we're not relying on vague directions. We're placing things specifically where they belong. Next up, grid lines and placement. Because once the grid exists and our tracks are established, we are ready to start placing items with precision. P.S. Keep learning.